Hi guys, today you are going to be back on Weebly and working on your website. You've already started your home page, you've already started your AP exam page, and today what I'd like to talk about is the Great Work page. So for the Great Work page, you're going to make a new tab or rename one of your old page tabs to Great Work, or you can try a different title if you want. But Great Work is like it sounds. It is work that you are proud of. It's work that demonstrates good reading and writing or good learning. You have to post 2 different assignments for Great Work. The first would be outside Great Work from not this class. It could be something from your history, bio, a past English course. Some kids expand out to great artwork or photography, but I do want to see something outside because it is a portfolio, so I want to see a nice range. The second thing you want to establish is Unit 1, which was Foster. We've done some great work, which is obviously your Foster paper, but also we've done some of those analytical responses. You've looked at annotating. I mean, you could take a picture of something you're proud of. We did the Foster like picture or creation, that coloring activity we did. So you need to just kind of ask yourself, what is some great work from that unit? How do you set this up? Well, there's 2 examples we're going to go over. So this is Sophia's, and she set it up with buttons. So what happened is she linked her great work to these buttons, and then she did her paragraph of context or description on the right-hand side. She has titles to help make it look nice and polished and uniformed. And so this is Unit 1, that when we did summer work. Unit 2, Unit 3 will be Kite Runner. We will have other great work too that's outside of writing. But you can see she's got all of her great work. And the biggest thing is your context paragraphs. That's this thing right here, which basically lets the reader know why it's great work or what was the situation that you created it in. So definitely look at some samples. Next, we go to Sierra. Sierra's has some of the same things. She's got, a title. She's got great work. So she's got the title of the project, and then she also has a little description piece to help understand the project. But instead of doing buttons, she did personal pictures for each link, and then what happened was she linked up the pictures, and it opens up into her great work. So that's another kind of interesting way to do it. Some things to think about when you post your great work. So pretend I want to post this. Don't just link up the Google Doc because it won't work. It will want to ask permission. What you'll want to do is go File, Download, and you'll want to download the current Google Doc into something else. I recommend a PDF. The reason why I recommend a PDF is it's going to be a permanent picture, and we won't have to open it up in Word. The other thing I recommend is that you put your name on the great work so nobody tries to plagiarize it. And then what will happen is you'll go to Download, PDF, and then when it downloads over here, of course it's going to error right now, but when it downloads here, now I have a permanent picture with my name that I can link up easily. So I think PDFs are really helpful. They're really important. And once again, don't forget your name, so that way nobody can steal your paper and try to claim it as their own. So that is great work. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your guys' first draft of your Weebly here towards the end of the week. Thanks.